In a move that has sent shockwaves through the global defense community, the United States has successfully tested a groundbreaking new nuclear drone, a weapon system unlike anything seen before. As tensions rise with Russia and China, the Pentagon's latest military advancement could change the future of warfare forever. Introducing the XQ-99 Ghost Reaper, a next-generation unmanned nuclear-capable drone, developed under extreme secrecy by the U.S. Department of Defense and leading aerospace firms. This drone is a combination of stealth, speed, and unprecedented nuclear payload capacity. For decades, the U.S. has dominated aerial warfare with its advanced drone fleet. However, the introduction of the Ghost Reaper signals a shift in strategy, an autonomous drone capable of carrying and deploying tactical nuclear warheads with pinpoint accuracy. Equipped with next-generation artificial intelligence, the Ghost Reaper can operate deep within enemy territory, evade radar detection, and carry out strategic nuclear strikes without risking human pilots. With a range of over 10,000 miles and a hypersonic propulsion system, it can reach its target in a matter of minutes. Recent test flights conducted in a classified location have demonstrated the drone's ability to perform complex combat missions. Sources within the Pentagon confirm that the Ghost Reaper successfully completed simulated nuclear strike drills with 99% precision. The unveiling of the Ghost Reaper has not gone unnoticed. Both Russia and China have issued strong responses, calling the development of a nuclear-capable drone a dangerous escalation. Chinese state media has already warned of countermeasures, while Russian defense officials claim they are working on their own response to match U.S. capabilities. The deployment of a nuclear-capable drone fundamentally changes deterrent strategy. Unlike traditional bombers or missiles, this system can loiter for extended periods and strike with zero warning. This puts adversaries in a position where they must rethink their nuclear doctrines. The U.S. military is already preparing for strategic deployment of the Ghost Reaper, with reports suggesting that these drones will be stationed in key locations such as the Indo-Pacific, Europe, and the Arctic. This move is designed to counter potential threats from China's expanding military influence and Russia's increasing nuclear posturing. If tensions escalate into a full-scale confrontation, the Ghost Reaper could serve as a decisive force multiplier. In a hypothetical conflict, it could be deployed ahead of traditional forces to disable enemy defenses and neutralize high-value targets before an official declaration of war. With the Ghost Reaper now in active testing, the balance of global power is shifting. How will